Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to make or earn up to 2K or more than daily. So before I continue, I want you to look at the subscribe button there and hit it and turn on the notification button there so as to get notified on my new videos. So that's it. Let's get going right now. So actually, I will reveal to you some kind of information many people are not going to reveal to you. That's it. On this very application, when you start it or when you finish setting it up, I'll tell you some kind of things right now. When you finish setting it up, and let's say you invite friends. Actually, if you don't invite friends, you're actually not going to get many points. It's when you invite friends, like when you invite a friend, you'll be rewarded with 300 points. But when you, if for instance you don't deal with all these invitation stuff of a thing, you can actually play some kind of games there, then you'll be rewarded like gifts, all these kind of things. But when you invite friends, that is when you actually going to be paid or be rewarded with 300 per and what is that 300 point actually is equivalent to 300 naira, but you cannot use that 300 naira 3 points. You cannot convert that 3 points to 300 naira. I'll teach you how it works later. So that 3 points, that 300 points, sorry, that 300 points, you can only slash it with a static with you can slash it if you can you can if for instance let me give you an instance now. If for instance you want to buy an airtime of 1,000 naira, you must have your points must be up to 500 points and your main balance, which is this. I'm coming. Let me show you. Your main balance here must be up to 500 naira. Your points here must be up to 500 points. So that's how you'll be able to use it. That's another secret. Then when you now up to 500 here, 500 here, you can buy 1,000 naira airtime. So that is it. So let's go back to this invitation because I'm actually going to show you some kind of certain things here. That's it. So when you want to when sorry when you finish inviting a friend actually they are not going to reward you that 300 points instantly. Yeah, that's the truth. Until that your friend or perform any transactions like top up airtime, spend money or fund wallet, all these kind of things. That's actually when you are going to be rewarded with the 300 points. And I told you earlier that that 300 points is equivalent to 300 naira. That's it. But there is a way I do mine to make it easy and pretty sure and when I invite a friend. I do transfer 50 naira to that friend's account. So that friend will use that 50 naira to slash the 100 point that he or she was rewarded with to buy airtime. So after buying it now, I will be rewarded 300 points. And that 300 points, okay, my income, I spent 50 naira, which is equivalent to 50 points. So let's remove that 15 points now. It will be remaining 250 points. 250 points times 8, it will be 2,000 points. And that 2,000 points is actually equivalent to 2,000 naira. So you get it? That is how it is. But let me tell you another secret. That 2,000 naira, you cannot, that 2,000 points, you cannot convert it to 2,000 naira. This is how it works. If for instance, someone wants to pay bills like that of 4,000 naira. We are using an example instance here. That of 4,000 naira. This is how it's going to work. This your point now. Maybe you have been able to invite 8 persons using the trick I gave you, which is my trick, the trick I use. Now then you get 2,000 points. Then here you also have up to 2,000 points here. And 2,000 naira, sorry, 2,000 naira here. so as to be able to pay for that 4,000 points. If you don't have up to 2,000 a year and you don't have up to 2,000 points, you cannot pay for that 4,000 naira bill. You get it right? So that is it. That is how it works. So when you are able to do that, yeah, this your money have gone, which is this your 2,000 naira have gone, which is of the bill, half of the bill. So this one have gone, and this one also, this your 2,000 points. Let me show you. Let's calculate. Let's do calculation now. This your 2,000 points. You know that you actually invited 8 persons, and if we times 15 naira times 8, what is it going to give us? It's going to give us 400, right? So you minus 400 from that, from this from the 2,000 naira is actually going to give you 1,600, right? So 1,600 is your income on that transaction. That is it. But if you don't use my taxes, your income will be 2,000 naira. So that's it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, you can comment below. And if you need more explanation, please comment below. Thank you.